Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here. Welcome back to my tutorial. Today I will show you guys some basic simple moves that you can use in a party and still looks awesome, okay? So this party is not like a jam or anything. It's like you're just learning b-boying and you know your friend will ask you to, hey, come and show us some move, you know. This is some few moves that you can use and it's very simple, okay? Very easy and it still looks great, alright? But you still have to be able to do some basic to pull all this move out, okay? It's not like for everyone who haven't do b-boy or tricking and to be able to do this move, but they can learn, and to master this move is quite simple and fast to learn, okay? So before I start, remember to hit the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon, so whenever there's a new video coming out from my channel, you'll be the first one to get notified. Alright, so now let's start with the first move. Okay, the first move is the baby freeze, okay? But the baby freeze I'm about to show you is more like a, you know, the first attempt of baby freeze. Again, the concept here is if you are still a beginner, okay, so I'm not going to show you guys like a chair or anything. If you can do that, that's great, but if you can't, then this is something that you can do. So normally the basic or the first level of baby freeze is you put both hands on the ground like this, okay? So put both hands, one in the side of your butt and the other one is on the side of your knee. Put both hands down and then do the freeze. Alright? You can move your leg around like this. That's the first move, alright? Now the second move, probably you guys already seen a lot of people already done it in a party or you know in a birthday event, which is the helicopter, or we also call this the one step. This is most basic and the easiest step if you compare to all the steps like 6 steps, 3 steps. This is the basic, okay? That's why a lot of people use this, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Put your left hand down, then both legs. Now I'm gonna straighten out my right leg and I'm gonna swing, okay? When I swing about here, my left leg is gonna go up so that my right leg is gonna continue to do the swinging motion, okay? Because if I didn't bring my left leg up, then it's gonna stuck, okay? So when your right leg is about to hit your left leg, jump, okay? Put your left leg up so that your right leg can do the circular motion. One more time. Now the third move is cartwheel. Not to brag about, but this move I already can do when I was a kid. Like I was playing around with my brothers, you know. I don't know, I just watch TV or anything, but you know, it just happened that I can do this move, okay? Again, I'm not bragging about it, but sometimes you can see this move a lot of people can do without really learning the trick, okay? But if you're learning tricking, you can make this move looks much better. Alright, so this is how cartwheel looks. You can make this move looks good by straightening out your leg, so when you turn, keep your leg straight, okay? It makes your move looks cleaner. Next move is the Kip Up. Now here's the thing about Kip Up. If you want to say this move is hard, it's not hard. But if you want to say it's very easy, it's not either, okay? But this move can be learned very fast. If you already know how to learn Kip Up, you know what I mean. Alright, so this is why I decided to put this move onto this list, okay? The way to execute this move is very simple. Left leg on the ground, alright, put your leg up, okay? Just move it as close to your face as possible. Yeah, hip up, alright? So, after doing this, you know, put both hands on the ground, push and kick up at the same time, alright? So, let's see. One more time. Now the last one is execute backspin from sitting down, or from split, or from jet split. This is one of the easiest power move that you can learn. Alright, but the backspin itself is not easy. But to pull this simple, awesome move in an event, again, this is not a b-boy jam. Okay, you don't want to pull this move in the b-boy jam. It's for some small event like your party, you know, some sort of wedding party, birthday party. You can pull this out. So just sitting down. Okay, move your upper body down to the ground, and with your leg, right leg, and follow with your left leg, then tuck. Alright, again, this is not a super good backspin. This is just some simple backspin you can do. Here we go. One more time. There we go, some simple move that you can use in a party or in a club, you know, and still looks awesome. All this move is very easy, but again, you know, try to do some basic first before you try all this move out, because you know this is not for, it's not like for everyone who don't know b-boying or they never know tricking. Okay, at least you need to have some basic to do all this move. Alright, so if you want to learn all the moves that I talk about, I'm gonna put a link on the description below. Check it out, and in there I'm gonna explain the move more in depth. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe, let this video give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.